this is an important point because, and I'd like to clear this because my director I've always felt is a very intelligent person. And intelligent because the first thing we talked about is that I think any audience that comes in to see this film, a lot of people will think that we have done an Indian version of a James Bond film, or we tried to copy James Bond. This would be a very stupid thing to do because, first of all, James Bond is a completely English character, and he's also a character that makes a lot of sense when you compare him against Russia and against communism. And he's like a capitalist hero who, it's okay to drink and womanize and still, he's a hero who saves the world. This is not that. From the first scene of the film, you'll realize this is an Indian hero who is very different to the Bond character because we don't want to make a copy of a Bond film. I never said he doesn't. He definitely drinks and he definitely womanizes. I said James Bond is the kind of a guy who is an English, person, basically. Vinod doesn't try to be English. He's very Indian.
I think he's a fab actor and I enjoy working with him. We have a lot of discussions and arguments and all that, but it's all for the movie and it's great fun.
So, but also, we are the only people, sorry, I'm answering his question, but I'm saying we're the only people who on the set who've seen the same movies, Like he'll say that, oh, this film, that shot, and I think I'm the only guy. Or if I'll say, hey, that chase from that movie, nobody else on the set has seen anything that we're talking about. When I joined films, I thought it's a funny title. Even Mission Impossible is quite a funny title, actually. It was a very bad TV series in the 70s. 70s? Yeah, 60s or 70s. Mission Impossible. But if you write it properly, if the font is correct, I mean, a lot of things can become cool. So that was the idea behind making this film. I think Vinod is a universal name. It's something that you can see written on the back of an auto rickshaw. India is a very big country. There's a huge market out there apart from people who wear suits and speak English. So we want to reach as many people as possible with this film. So we thought we'd go a slightly different way and try and make it interesting in terms of expression and music. And I believe it was Dinesh who was also pushing for a Mujra rather than a raunchy kind of nightclub song, which I think in Agent Vinod, the raunchy nightclub song is just background. I mean, that's happening most of the time. But, so we needed to make our item a little different. I don't know. You have to ask Kareena sometimes. She says she doesn't like doing action, but she's very good at it. And she's got a pretty intense expression when she's doing this stuff. As far as me doing action, I thought it would be fun, but every inch of my body was bruised and colored in some really amazing purple blotches and yellow, like I've never seen anything like it. I was very frightening because they harness you and make you do, and I think I've done everything myself, which I was excited about. There's a gunfight in a parking lot. So she said to me, listen, can you not shoot the gun? So I said, meaning? She said, don't shoot the gun, it's making too much noise. So I said, but this is an Agent Vinod action movie. She said, yeah, just do it in post, man. So I said, right. Somebody please talk to the heroine. I actually think she's a phenomenal actor. I think she's a very intense actor, and as you say, someone who's got a tremendous understanding of all facets of cinema. I was quite amazed. I think she knows a little more about lensing than I do. लग चाहिए मेहनत भी करनी पड़ती है लेकिन I think the most important, we all know that you need luck as well, so we'll take anything. We'll take a lucky heroine, we'll take a lucky rabbit's foot. मैं अपने आप को दूसरे खान से कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहूँगा, वो बहुत सीनियर हैं और बहुत बड़े स्टार्स हैं. मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि हर एक एक्टर का फ़र्ज़ बनता है कि इंडस्ट्री में अगर 20 साल आपने बिताए हैं तो आपकी जो एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, आपके जो ड्रीम्स हैं, उसको किसी तरह रियलाइज़ करने की कोशिश तो करें. आप एक छोटी सी तरीके से कुछ एडवांसेस लाएं अपने थॉट में, अपने फील्ड में, अपने ऑफिस में और अपने प्रोडक्शन में. बाकी लोग क्या करें आपको ज़्यादा नहीं सोचना चाहिए.